So hello, good day. So today we're looking at this question. So the question says a normal window is constructed by adjusting a semicircle at the top of an ordinary rectangular window. So which means a semicircle is superimposed on a rectangular window, right? So to find the dimension of the maximum area, okay, the maximum area such that the perimeter is 16 feet, okay. So, which means we have a rectangular window. Superimposed on it is what? Is a semicircle, right? And you know this semicircle, let's say this one is X and this one is Y, right? So, this side will be Y too. And for a semicircle, it has a radius, and which is half of the diameter, right? The diameter is this, half of diameter is radius, right? So which means this is x all over 2, and this is x all over 2, right? So let's say the perimeter is 16 feet, meaning that the outer dimension, when you add all these parts together, is going to give you 16 feet, right? So meaning that the perimeter is 16 feet. Okay, so what is the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, right? So half of 2 pi r is pi r, right? So which means this is going to be pi r, right? So pi x all over 2. R is x all over 2, right? Okay, so which means if we add this with this with this with this, add everything together, you are going to get your value, right? So what's the perimeter? Perimeter is add everything together. So that will be what? Pi all over 2 pi x all over 2 plus x plus 2y. Okay? If you add them together, you're going to get 16. Add this plus this plus this plus this. So that will be perimeter, and that will be 16. Okay? So when you add this together, here x is common, pi all over 2 plus 1 plus 2y is equals to 16 from here, right? Okay, so this is of course going to be pi plus 2 all over 2x plus 2y is equals to 16. um okay, this is an expression for the perimeter. Okay, let's say we want to get what y is going to be. Y is going to be, take this one to the other side, so that will be 2y with what? 16 minus pi plus 2 all over 2x, and then y will be 1 over 2, 16 minus pi plus 2 all over 2x. And from here, if you open the brackets, that will be 8 minus pi plus 2 all over 2 times 2, this will be 4x. So this is an expression. This is an expression for y in terms of x. Okay, an expression for y in terms of x. So y is this. Okay. Now, but they say we should find the dimension of maximum area. To get the maximum area, first you need to get the total area. What is the total area? Area is what? Area of a rectangle and area of a semicircle, right? And what is the area of a circle? It's pi r squared, right? So half of that pi r squared is the area of a semicircle. Okay, so pi x all over 2 squared. So half of it, right? Half of the pi r squared. Okay, that's a semicircle. Now area of a rectangle is what? Xy. Just multiply the length and the breadth. Okay. Now what is this? This is going to be pi x squared all over 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2, that will be 8 plus xy. But what is y? We know y to be what? To be this. Okay, so that will be pi x squared all over 8 plus x. Then put this one there. 8 minus pi plus 2 all over 4 x. Okay, so that's our area. So we are trying to get area in terms of just one of the variables. Okay, so that's normally what we do when we are solving a problem like this. We will be given two equations. We find one in terms of the order and put it in the equation, in the second equation, so that that one we are looking for its maximum or minimum value. We are going to express it in terms of one of the variables. Okay, so and that's what we have done here. Okay, so area is now going to be, if you expand this, this is going to be pi